Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this IC Reobiux outdoor-indoor video camera. This is a very solid installation. It's not going to go anywhere. The antennas here ensure a very stable Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, this camera fully rotates around, so it gets the perfect angle basically wherever you place this. It's also got a speaker on the back right here. As you can see, you got the camera views right here. It's super responsive and Ultra HD. All you have to do is just drag your finger on this lower view here and you can really go all the way around. And as you can see at the top there, you got a notification for human detection. This can literally go almost 360 degrees and the quality is very impressive. And I like how the top, it just shows you that top camera angle. You can't move that one, it's just stationary. So that's pretty much it. Overall, I highly recommend this camera. Thanks for watching.